The reason we are replacing the section.
I did.
I'm the best. Yeah, there's a puddle of water. You're connected.
Huh. I forgot that was there.
Now I'm going to the residential cobble and replace it.
That took significantly longer than I anticipated.
Good morning. So today we are actually starting here at the shop. I'm gonna get ready for the jobs. We have 2 jobs today, I believe. Putting remote controls on the operators that we did at the garage door installation, the same house. Made a video on that. And then we're gonna go replace a section for a commercial door that I measured up a couple weeks ago. We just got them in. So that is the plan for today. So I will get going. Yeah, I was looking at stuff for the back. Like on Facebook group chats or whatever. Trying to see how people set up their back, and
yeah, a lot of them just have those and more stacked.
I know, I just don't know what to do with these. Like, this is what's so messy. We're 3-inch doors. Alrighty, we have had a change of plans. I guess I'm doing this section first.
So you want to do that first?
Yeah, I guess. I didn't notice how much I have to do for it.
Oh, what?
I have to change the cables and then I have to change hardware and stuff, so I'll get this done first.
Gotcha. Oh, you finally want your hammer?
Yeah, I didn't know where it was.
Oh, I could have told you. It's kind of hard to work on stuff without a hammer.
Anything's a hammer. It's just down the street, that's why I have it in the back of the truck. It's maybe a 2-minute drive, so I'm gonna go throw this in, so I will see you guys on the job site. Alrighty, we are here at the job site. Like I said, it'll be a real quick drive. Replacing that bottom section right there, that's all hit and all rusted, so we'll get to work. I'm gonna go talk to them and see what is going on here. So if you can look, this is the reason we are replacing the section. It is not gonna be the exact same section because this is hardboard and they don't even make this anymore. That's how old these are. So I'm not going to be replacing them with hardboard. This is going to be, I believe, a steel-backed door. So not going to be the exact same section, but when it comes to commercial, that's what you got to do. This looks like a pretty thick cable. I did not expect that. So it's a thicker cable. But yeah, so that is the plan. Got the section inside. I'm just gonna lay it down. And I wasn't paying attention at all, so I don't know if I laid it down the right way. And my guess is I did. I'm the best. That was planned. 100% planned.
When you were doing stuff?
I didn't open this one. That one has nothing in it.
Drill a hole in the bottom.
Yeah, I was gonna do that. Alrighty.
Yes. I don't think that much was. Well, I don't know what he did.
Yeah, there's a puddle of water.
I think it would just drip in from the holes, but like I said, we can just stock them and
Now we are ready to get going. Literally the exact same thing I did on a residential door, I'm gonna do on a commercial door. So I use this Klein Tools, like it's got a 7/16 half inch, 3/8, 5/16, and then an 11 32 and a 1/4 inch. I would have to say I don't think it was worth it. This thing did kind of suck. especially for what we're doing. It's like, yeah, it has the extension, but the magnet, well, first of all, the magnet's gone. That is why I don't use it anymore. But everything kind of wore out. The magnet was weak, so a ton of stuff would drop out of it. The sockets were deep enough, so stuff would just fall right out of the sockets. I don't think I would recommend this. I do not think I would recommend it. Alright, so now we got the whole bottom disconnected. Now I'm gonna go up there and backwind the spring. Alrighty, now we got slack on the cables. It's backwound. It was. Oh, is this one of the Rainer ones? Alright, so it has to go through and then up. Alrighty. That is absolutely frozen, so I'm so excited to take that off because that roller does not move at all. And yeah, we should be good from there. Just gotta, like I said, make those cables and replace those bottom fixtures. So it shouldn't be too difficult. It is not budging. There we go. So that's one side done. Yep, same size cable. 5/30 seconds. There's a sleeve. Go around this. I have to use my makeshift device. Perfect. I'm about to cut this last one. This is cut. I'm gonna double check to see where it ends up. Pretty freaking perfect. I got our cables, bottom fixtures, rollers. So, all I really need to do is take this off, put the section together, and we should be set. This one has a gray inside. Interesting. I'm just gonna pull this bottom section out. I think I'm gonna just throw it outside for a little bit. I don't think anyone's been over here. So I'll just throw it. That bottom picture is just frozen. It's game time! Okay. On the ground we go! Lift in. Get that roller in. Now we can rotate. You've got to be kidding me. That's fine, it's in now. Gonna move this over. And look at that. We are in. Boom. So now we have this one all. Ow. Being poked by cables hurt. They do not feel good. So now we got that. All I have to do, you'll see it's super easy, simple process. lift, put in, tech. That sounds actually easier than it is. Because trying to maneuver this is not as easy as it seems. You have a limited space here, as you can see. But I have this advantage. Get out of here. Where I can actually lift this all I want. I'm gonna lift this. So now it's up. Now I can rotate that. Of course it's just coming out. So you want that pushed all the way in. Perfect. Perfect. Now we're stuck on something. We're stuck on this back piece. I don't know what I'm stuck on. It is stuck on something though. Okay. That should be better. Alright, it is time to wind the spring and get these cables back on. We are connected. The door is fixed. Alrighty, we are all connected right now. So, oh, this should be the only thing holding it up. And I don't have a rope on it, so I'm gonna have to put a rope on it, but oh shoot. Huh. I forgot that was there. Sweet. It's like a dream. Smooth. I obviously have to change all the rest of the hardware too. This one is bent. I didn't check that. That one is bent. I would say everything runs nice. Let's just make sure it stays on the ground. Boom. Yeah, I mean, concrete's off. Left side's touching, right side's touching, middle's not. And obviously if you push it down, yeah, both sides are hitting. Cool. I'm just gonna finish everything up, replacing all the stuff. But yeah, that's about it for this. Like I said, with commercial stuff, there's not much we can do. We can't get those sections anymore. It's just, they don't make them. So they do make those, and on the outside looks perfect, so I'd say this is a great success. Great success. Alrighty, I almost forgot to show you guys the final product. So you close it up here, slide leg goes in, open up the lock, and then I installed this rope so it doesn't go up too high because it goes up really far. I'll bring the door down and show you guys what the outside looks like after I cleaned everything up. I lubed everything, changed a bunch of rollers, and then, yeah, tightened everything up. Just like always. So this is the outside. There's the outside. You can't even tell, really, that it's a new section. So yeah, that's exactly what we wanted. I am going to double check everything's picked up, and I'm going to head out of here. Alrighty, so I got changed. Oh, I need to grab the box. I almost forgot. But I got changed, and now I'm going to the residential call where I'm replacing I'm putting a new keypad in, and I'm programming some remotes for them. So, and that should be it for the rest of the day. I'm all good to go. So I will see you guys at the house. Alrighty, I am just pulling into the job site, and I believe if you guys watched my first garage door installation video, we are back. So I've been here before for sure. Been here for 2 days actually. So I am going to get that stuff done for them. They've been great customers to us. They also have commercial buildings, so we do their commercial buildings as well. So we got a ton of doors hopefully going to be installed for them in the future, so we can only hope. Don't want to get too excited, but I'm gonna go talk to the customer and get these remotes programmed and everything for them. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna program this. Super simple. Hold this down until I see a blue light. Press the button. It's blinking. Press it again. It doesn't. It turns off. Press it. Programmed. So that is all you need to do to program these remotes. Super simple stuff. So there's not much. I gotta figure out something that's going on with the Wi-Fi with that, so I'm not gonna be able to wear my GoPro for that. I'm gonna have to figure that one out with the owner because he's saying it's not connecting to his phone. And I don't know. So we're gonna have to figure that one out. That took significantly longer than I anticipated. I just had to, which I hope I threw the garbage away, yeah. I had to program the keypad, program the buttons, and I was just talking with customer support because I was not sure about they had a jack shaft opener, which we installed if you watch the video. The door wasn't able to connect to Wi-Fi without a Bluetooth light being connected, and they didn't want the Bluetooth light. And I didn't know that that light had to be connected. So when I connected it, or when I didn't connect it, it didn't let the software connect to a phone. So for some reason it wasn't working, so I had to plug the light in. Then I had to talk to customer support. They told me that that light has to be plugged in. So I learned that. And then for the wireless or the keyless entry pads for overhead door, yeah, that's illegal. That is just so dumb. So for the overhead door wireless keypads, you have to put in all 4 digits, then hit the close button if you want it to close after you opened it from the wired console in your garage. So with most older openers, you can just hit that up and down button and it'll close automatically, so you don't have to put in the pin. But for those you do, for some reason, I don't know why. It doesn't seem like a security issue, but that's just how it is. So I was trying to figure that out because I knew that was inconvenient. The customer wanted it, and even though he was super nice about it and he said it wasn't a big deal and he just imagined that's how it would have to be, it's still inconvenient for him, and I don't like that. I don't know why that's a feature, but there's not much I can do about it. So that's just how I feel about that design. And if it were me, I would have changed it and I would have it different, but like I said, I can't do anything about it. So at least the customer's happy, and that is all that matters. We got his door running with his phone, so now he can check if the door's open or closed with his phone, so he can feel safe. He's really into having home security. So at the end of the day, like I said, if the homeowner's happy, I'm happy. That is all I have for today. I'm going back to the shop, so I will see you guys in the next one.